Hi and welcome back. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. We've got a package that just arrived in the mail, so let's open it together and see what we got. This package is actually what I won on the giveaway that Manisha had on her channel. It was sponsored by Bigbang, and these are the items that I picked out. I'll start off with this gorgeous nail polish. It's the Chameleon polish. Here's the item number, and I'm really excited to try this one. It's a beautiful color. It's number 3. I don't know if you can see the effect here, but on the bottle it looks amazing. I can't wait to put it on my nails. The next item I picked out was this stamper. It's a clear stamper and it comes with a scraper card. So this is what the card looks like. They're very flexible and really thin. And here's the stamper. It has the Bigbang logo on the lid. I love that it has a lid to keep it protected. It's completely open on the bottom, which I really like. It feels pretty soft and squishy. Very nice. You can see all the way through to the nail, making placement of your stamping images really easy. I'm really excited to test it out. And the last 2 items I picked out are stamping plates. Here's a little one. Pretty packaging. It's plate Bigbang number 12, and this is one that I've been wanting to have in my collection for a while. I love these little Christmas lights. They're so cute, and the fireworks. It's a really beautiful plate. On the back it has a Bigbang logo and their website. And the last item is this beautiful stamping plate. I love the decorations on the envelope. Bigbang XL010. And this one has a variety of celebration images. I love that this one says happy birthday. This little one says party in the center. It's really pretty and you can use it for many different themes. It comes with a protective backing and their logo and beautybigbang.com website listed here too. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of my prize mail from Bigbang and Manisha M. Be sure to check the description box where I'll have links to all of these products as well as a link to Manisha's channel. She does beautiful nail art. I'll be using all of these products in future videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button. And you can also follow me on Instagram at LaShenny21Nails. I'll leave a link in the description box of the video.